Welcome to the Mississippi Gulf Coast Community College Library webpage. Today we're going to take a look at the Magnolia Project, which features the EBSCO host databases, which are journal databases. This is one of the best resources we have for journal articles. We're going to scroll down our page. This is the main page. And we're going to select, under Electronic Databases, the Magnolia Project. So take us to the home page for the Magnolia Project. And we're going to be able to select our databases from here. You can choose from the database A to Z list. You can select databases by subject, and you can also select databases by provider. And we're going to go under databases by provider and select EBSCO. It's going to give me the complete list of databases that are available under EBSCO host. You can go over here where it says description tutorial, and it'll tell you what you can find in each of the databases. So we're going to take a look at Academic Search Premier. Our description tells us that it contains over 8,200 journals with full text for more than 4,500 of those titles. So it's an excellent resource for journal articles. I'm going to select my database, and it's going to open up to my search screen. We also have the option to add additional databases. If we wanted to search more than one database, we can choose databases. So if our topic today is psychology, I'm going to look through my list, and I'm also going to select the Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection. And at the bottom of this screen, I'm going to select OK. And if I click on the three dots back on this screen, it will show me that I am searching in Academic Search Premier and in the Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection. So this is our search page. The other things you want to make sure we select on this screen, always start by selecting full text. You need complete articles. Often you'll find just the title and the abstract, and you want the complete article. You also have the option to select scholarly peer-reviewed journals. That means that the article has been written and or reviewed by someone who is knowledgeable of that particular subject area or field. And your instructor will usually tell you specifically if they need it from a scholarly journal. And you would click that the same way you would full text. You can do that at the beginning of your search. So I'm going to go up here to the top. I'm going to put in my search. We're looking for an article on nature versus nurture. Helps to make sure that you're typing and spelling correctly to make sure that your search comes out correctly. It's going to bring up a list of articles. They're going to be in chronological order, the most recent first, and go backwards in chronological time. The articles are all going to appear in either HTML full text or in PDF full text. If it is a PDF full text article, you must have an Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. You have some options here to limit your search from this screen. You can narrow it by subject here on the left-hand side of your screen, or you can narrow your date field. This is showing us articles between 1988 and 2008. So we're going to go down here to number 2, and we're going to take a look at the article from Frankenstein's Monster. And we're going to select where it says PDF full text. This is going to take me directly into the full text of my article. PDF articles can sometimes take a little bit longer to load, and they can sometimes take a little bit longer to print, but it's basically going to be a full graphic. It's going to look exactly like it did in the original publication. And it's going to open up to your article. It's going to have all of your information. It's completely full text. At the top of your screen, if you want to print this page out, I want to encourage you to make sure that you use the print icon here in the PDF toolbar. It's the only way to get a PDF article to print correctly. Or if you want to save it, click on the disk icon. Here's your article. If you look down here, it says 1 of 18. That tells you how long that particular article is. You may want to take a look at that before you start printing. The other really important thing from this screen is up here at the top where it says citation. When you get ready to do your bibliography of your works cited paper, this is the information that you need. It's going to list all of the authors, the title, and all the source information. We'll also show you subject headings attached to that particular article, which can help you also with your search. But we're going to take a closer look here at the citation. The great thing here is that if we click here on the print icon, it's going to give us the option to do a citation format. And you can go in there and select either APA or MLA, the two that you'll encounter most often here while you're a student at Gulf Coast. If it's a social science project, it's probably going to be APA, psychology, education, something like that. Or if you're doing your research paper for English, it's going to be MLA. Select your format, make sure the dot is pushed next to the citation format, and click the print button. This is going to set up your citation for you. I encourage you to always double check it against the manual or against the examples that your instructor gives you. If you want to print it out, click the print button, or you have the option where you can always cut and paste. You can copy it and file and paste it directly into a Word document. But a lot of the work is done for you for your citation, so it's a great way to help you with your bibliography. So this is your works cited. And if you want to go back to your list at any time, you can select your back button. From this screen, again we're back on the original citation page, you can change your search terms, or you can go back to your original result list and find other articles from your list. Magnolia Project, EBSCO host databases, one of the best resources for journal articles. We encourage you to check out this database, and if you have additional questions, please contact the library at your campus. You can call us, email us, or stop by, and we'll try to answer any questions that you may have.